In this video, you're going to learn how to set up your Chargent free trial in 10 minutes or less. That's just 10 minutes until you're ready to payment enable any workflow and take payments from anywhere in Salesforce without any custom code. My name is Cindy and I'm from Chargent. If you want to jump right in and get started with a Chargent free trial, then you're in the right place. And if you're really excited about improving your payments process, you should download the checklist linked in the description of this video, where you can learn 10 ways to easily improve payment collections in Salesforce. Before we get started, there are a few prerequisites to take care of. 1. My domain is set up and deployed in your Salesforce org. 2. You have a Salesforce site set up. 3. You have test credentials handy for your payment gateway. 4. You've installed all 3 Chargent packages from our Package Installation Manager. If you need help completing these steps, check out the Chargent Quick Start Guide linked in the description for more information. Based on our experience, we recommend installing Chargent in a Sandbox org first. This is best practice that protects your production org. One other tip for success. Before you begin your 30-day trial, it's important to define what success looks like for your organization. For example, what are your organization's payment use cases? Do you need to take recurring payments for subscriptions or phone payments? Will you send your customers payment request emails or leverage communities? Who needs to see how Chargent works, and what capabilities do they need to see? While you're thinking about these questions, would your organization benefit from improved cash flow? Download our checklist and learn how Chargent can make your payments configurable and automated, saving you time and money. Okay, if you've installed Chargent in your Sandbox, there is no need to assign licenses to your users. If you've installed into your production org, you'll need to assign licenses to your users for both Chargent Orders and Chargent Anywhere. To assign licenses, click the gear icon and select Setup. In the Quick Find box, search for Installed Packages. Click Manage Licenses to the left of Chargent Orders and assign the users. Next, repeat those steps for the Chargent Anywhere package. Now that we have licenses enabled, we'll connect Chargent to your payment gateway. The Chargent Setup Wizard does the heavy lifting. All you need to do is click the app launcher, enter Chargent into the Quick Find box, and choose Chargent Settings. Here in Chargent, you'll click on the Chargent Setup Wizard subtab and follow the steps in the wizard to complete your gateway setup. Now that your payment gateway is configured, we'll set up Payment Request, which allows you to send secure payment links directly to your customers. Return to the Chargent Settings tab, click the Chargent Payment Request Setup Wizard subtab, and follow the steps in the wizard to set up and customize Payment Request. Next, let's set up Chargent Anywhere. Chargent Anywhere is a Lightning component that enables you to collect payment from any page inside your Salesforce org. To set it up, just head to the page builder, drag and drop the Chargent Anywhere component onto the page, and quickly configure and click Save. Congratulations! You've set up your Chargent free trial. Let's run a quick test to confirm that everything is ready to go. Create a new record on the object that you configured Chargent Anywhere on. Be sure to populate the billing account, billing contact, and charge amount fields with data. Enter your own email address in the contact record so that you can receive the email and test the payment request feature. Now we'll send a test payment request, which will confirm that your payment requests look the way that you want and that your payment gateway is configured properly. Click the Send Payment Request button in the Chargent Anywhere component, choose your test contact, or manually enter your email address, then click the Send Request button. Check your email for a payment request notification and click the link in that email, which will take you to a secure payment request page. Here, you'll need a test card, which you can find in the Chargent document for your payment gateway. A common test card number that works on almost all gateways is the number 4 followed by 15 ones. Click the Pay button and you should get a success message. Finally, navigate back to your Salesforce org and you'll see new Chargent order and transaction records for the payment we just collected. The payment data is now tokenized and ready for future use. And now, check out the next video, where you can learn about how tokenization makes payments more secure. My name is Cindy, and I'm from Chargent, where we are dedicated to helping you make Salesforce payments simple. And remember, we're always here to help.